Hello, 101.5 FM.
Tina chinchine twan NPP for mo abeji ejinem me kasa ene Dr. Nyako kasa me kasa me bem cross wo mpene asem easy for na se wo mo so se on person wo ye new register e sense this and this and that ena NDC for so say wo mo yes ade na sorry
NDC for nkwa Ghana for bi
or say NDC and the allies
and Ghana for be say or we are saying but MPP for so you have joined the fray am wako jina baby na motion mo problem they say honorable
that's ne akwanya odi amame ma menchia asanteman na menchia otikokoso na na say to the second ne na make say na menchia no fa de sheti ye nyina asmeche obibia ene regional party regional chairman penfo awo santimantem ne omani nya mechia obibia na afi mi co-panelist so masamu obibia fishapa na Asia ya che Kennedy metie menua panyine Steven Yabua meboa Steve na me yamahye me kakra say na we dey na Asia jeze edu ba be kra wo stop no so dey besi no say yam pene ohun
yes Steve Yabua dey wan ka hwen ka utie ba ku bia ena bo say enyame yodo pa
edu say
men kan obi asem wo kan asem wo kan asem
wo say ono abo edu say dey yes dey wo nam no sa na oda
men kan wa
ono dey menim say
shena wanu ampa
o manompa
okay
manompa ne mo argument am advance nyina no ensuo bi anyinam ensuo abubo bi anyina mo nsem am o kanim me odi akwanya ne ma no na nka me hwe so be make convincing argument wa ba man tiwe electoral commission ababontene ababe kire 36 challenges enunti omodi ato oman ni nyina anim se yanyintum ne emomo enye dintro foforo asem ni nyina ani enti no sa 36 challenges no omodi buy no so ken yampa na se nyampa eno no nkire se na wo ba betina ha say register produce presidents register produce MPs produce assembly members enye papa nka produce ken look at this banner argument enti yanka ne say meba
sorry last time using that word here enye too clean
okay bogus argument
very well accepted
bedasi na ohwe argument omo ken ya then na wa ye odi atoto bibi ho kakra yam fa no say abortion is an illegal practice in this country apart from Mexican and as euthanasia geographers e bi be kanono dog no kra woman say again no kra woman say abaya no okoya abortion I say illegal oti ba wo nipa no beto nipa no onya illegal ebi na mo kan you register no the first say yeyi mampanyina free mu no emma no enye legitimate anase enye credible ho na me pesa mo ntwe mo adwene nsi eno na pesa mo ntwe mo adwene nsi we have been consistent since 2012 say register no apart from say ye bloated no electoral commission na nkasa emo ba abontene time a Amadou Sule ene ye nuaba Charlotte Osei entokwa ne ba ya we say we ye kromfo we say wo wies ka chen me we say sika no wani brade o kai wo ntokwa no electoral commission sana na ku enya me na meka bi timra kwan so no e no ma workers ni bisa ka se da bi ska die na ekoso aso na etan emfidie na ho no so no adwuma esese ye de na nya papa omo a sa argument ya ne ye te ha ye mu bi ya sa de anu atomu emanated from electoral commission's outfit and our man for na petition ye na emra kwan so no omusi form now NDC for adwene nyina ye ba kope menu ya adu say sa voters register ye ka ho asem no enya paper ye de throw names of talkative if that is your logic there em say sa adwene ni wo mutremu ni say ye be fa paper na ye chocho din na din ya throw debi Minim adwena aba mu trimu anti. Mati agu montene so. Dia to trust mo shitai. Na ye besrɛ mo ya mo koye ne tamalense mo ni na mo kodi ye no. Mate se mo se mo ba kumase ya. Ye besrɛ mo. Mo ma me roro mo ho te se de mo koye ne tamale no. Ye pa mo chew e ya kyerɛ boni nkase a mo dia ba be wurakuro mu ha. Ensamo mo ka nyina no. You have been overtaken by event. Monsamo amakrucha mo ka nyina no. Muni mu anka mo de mo amomra be hye badwafo no. Emomo e kan on the floor of parliament. Yes.
That the chief.
Because
obi ni ho kwan se oye ye
electoral commission
disaffection.
Monsieur. Emrahye bedwa na obi anam si ni wo no. Ye to yensa NDC for now. And I request say yes say. Ye engage electoral commission in a special sitting. No me brief me ba Mr. Oh, wa me ka dia asem atasum. Menua. You stage your workout. Even a time estimate kra na approve no kra no. Mo sorry, e no kire boni ye wo mutim. Utie. Because ensem na mo ka sesi a no. Electoral commission say no problem. Muntie me.
Why walk out that or parliament?
Oh, me che say, what to nsasa panyine bi mra me pa che. Steve, Mr. What to nsasa panyine fa ne nsem mra. Panyine na tie wa so pam. Wa ba ba gina ho a. What nsem na obeka na wa dwane afri ho. Eye buo. Enya buo. Eti nsem a mo ne mo general secretary, mo tiagu radio so ni TV so eka a mo nam fam di me kwa hihye mo numu titinta so kokko ni nyina no. Menua. Mo si akire because yen emrahye bedwafo ya ma electoral commission
MPP4.
oh
But why was he walk out?
but the essence of democracy a majority decision nipa dodo na kasa ete se political parties no maku du miensa say electoral commission say sa no
As much na here.
maku du miensa e maku num si o men say sa no electoral commission say mo adieti na mo se ma men say
Maku du mi sen ye de ya adwuma yi num ye de ya because for instance PNC Maku omo se yensesa no ebi wom PNC kro ye omo se ma yensesa no
leadership decides everything
and you know at this point
and let me tell you
PNC over council so omo wo henfa
o say
PNC over council omo yes and
oh na say ambassador at large abekasa
and chairman so akasa
na chairman kasa yet say president and I say standard bearer any chairman of a party yenya yi standard bearer let me tell no oh meba omonko ade omo PNC constitution e crowd Oma Babantina Baba Bekase Edward Mama is the leader of their party what you want Baba Bekase and I mean Kokasha Omanwana ati Bernard Mona the obi anu say mo ne ne corner krana tino enye news uti but Haruna mo nyina Babontine amo mo nyina support say
mo so mo ne apalu na corner krana
apalu
so on a spokesperson for the Yes Coalition
I don't know a spokesperson for 13 political parties no
for the Yes Coalition
and I say 13 political parties
okay
18 in parliament nipa do na say electoral commission ye pene so say no about political parties now do na say electoral commission ye pene so say no even civil society organization e kura na Ghana omo ye be 65 no emu 18 na omo edi paper aba bontene no unimu ameka kire 18 no out of 18 7 so aba be ka say a prepared speech no omo de beto abontene no omo nka ho. And it tells you say CSOs ne kra wo Ghana ha no do na absolute majority say electoral commission on sesa no adan adie pa na e she 2012 register ni mu a et NDC for se chinchina o ka ho asema na omo pese omo do omo
but why fix it when it's not broken Honorable Collins Usamankwa omo question they say why do you fix it when it's no I don't know ye dia ye adwuma sa no omo ka ho ye dia ye adwuma baako mprenu etidie be biem necessary ne sano sana omoka I did not making point the omoka no want to say odaro
kai say time ye ka say minus ewum NDC general secretary be ka say oh 2012 na no omo ye minor na omo nyini nti omo ya adult nti omo afa can you imagine who the argument omo advance kan ade na enya na wo se ekoyi free ho no. And currently, me, look, I don't speak for electoral commission, and you know my stance. Ebasa Nyema we are. But I support reforms be a bema ye electoral register are you credible. 2016 Electoral Commission car ye born hon sika almost spend a year was a colossal amount of 1.8 billion cedis. As against 2020, kaya ko ye ni money per door so kra no kasika sem ne cost by 1.3 billion. Meba, Mr. This argument about Electoral Commission person mo pokro no mo pesika die na me chese mo ma breso no. Se sika die dia sika wo mo di ye no. Enye no ho asem na ye ken. Eti baby a mo di ade ne befa bia.
Omo breso mo di mo di omo ni kaka.
On te dia me nche no.
Me na bibusa ho.
Omo enwaje so move do omo no ebegu Electoral Commission ho fi.
All right.
Enunti no. Somebody like Dr. Bossman on kasa akra na no ma ya article no mo di bia hye na no.
You obeka say no.
Oh. Oh. Na referendum no so no referendum na education no so na the enfonso we do.
Match be na referee ebobi. Referee bomb match.
No NDC MPP.
What's it there?
NDC MPP ne kwato aba.
Yes and no people here.
Oh, massa.
And they had a
massa meba. Mr. Me di nya me di pacho. Me pacho. Hwe. Ade amo ka sesi ane de mo si echi. Eno de na ye mpene oba den. Steve, oh yeah, oba da wie ya me na mka kire o. Because ye ntena ho e ma mo mfa to trust mo makro mu a.
So oh yeah, member of defense committee.
Me vice chairman of defense and interior committee. Oh no. Can just say me do no want me tiase. Me do no want me tiase okro mu ha. Doctor. Why you oba da wie ya so da me che no because ye pasum gwe o mind nim. Na asum why okay we say ye masum gwe nko. But we are there you know as a threat.
Okay.
You have every
all right, and I will
you have every
no. Collins.
So you have every power over me ya
Chief.
But then now go see.
No. Oh, what me tell you?
Ghana for na support Ghana security for until omutumi ya.
Yes.
We are aware.
No. Wait, Okano. Listen. Wait, Okano on the lighter side. Okano. No.
Because you be alive so can say chief can say Ghana for Ghana
take it easy. Okano on the lighter side.
Mr. Oh, I know the man will be Mr. Chief, Electoral Commission. Chief, make your point. Independent constitutional body. Ye nyina no e wo say yetimi protect a state. It will be a better threat say Electoral Commission. Ye ne mo be chiayam Electoral Commission. Mudi agura ye just say ye be dwan mo ho to extend say mekokura betia uni say wo mkeka o mo ko tamale ni nim say unya time ken etie wo mo spokespersons na o yam be show
all right
ehene na o mo eko
Collins I have to move on
so na me chen mestre said the NDC for na be ka kire ye 2012 2015 year can asem no a almost idea ko Supreme Court say yenko tie die Justice Atuguba former Supreme Court judge justice asem a kan ye no say election is won at polling station it has nothing to do with the voter register enti e die na asesa a na die ye ko sesa voters register na mo say mo ntiase na MPP pese ye di ewi abem
chief my to aso me that say Honorable Collins also am a member of parliament for Mention or for Besa Kubim I guess so.
Hello 101.5 FM